Today we will be looking at The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Here are 3 key lessons from Graham's book to help you start investing. Number 1, there are 3 principles to intelligent investing. Number 2, never trust Mr. Market. And number 3, stick to a strict formula and you will do fine. But the most important thing which I have learned from this book is to look at a PE ratio, the price per earning ratio, when you're looking to buy stocks. When the PE ratio is really low, then it is a better PE ratio compared to one which is pretty much higher. So let's take a look at the PE ratio of Verizon. So as you can see, the PE ratio of Verizon is very low. It is around it's going down. It is right now 12.22. As a result, this is a good PE ratio compared to a stock such as Amazon. Let's look at Amazon's PE ratio, which is 60.99. However, as you can see in this one, the PE ratio is going down, which is a good sign. And the only reason PE ratio of Amazon is so high is because it's a newer company starting a few years ago. As a result, when you're looking for stocks, you should look at the PE ratio, and a great website is NASDAQ, where you can find a lot of great information to help you choose your next stocks. And some stocks which I recommend buying would be Coca-Cola, because it is a company which many people buy and still buy to this day. Amazon, Google, and Costco, and Apple, as well as Wells Fargo. Thank you.